In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a flowchart in draw.io. Now, you have actually two options to do this. The first one is to click on Arrange up top, and then you want to click on Insert, and then click on Template. And here on the left, you can see, if you just look a bit in here, you can see it says flowcharts. Click on that, it's going to open up flowcharts, and you can see a bunch of different ones. So for example, let's say I want to actually open up this one, click on it, and then click on Insert. And the template is actually going to get inserted into your document, into your basically free empty space over here that you had, and you can go ahead and of course change it however you like. But if you would like to make one yourself, you can go ahead and do that too. Here on the left, you can see it says flowchart. Click on that, and you can go ahead and build it using all these different parts and blocks and different shapes over here. Okay, so of course you can just click on them, and they're gonna get basically placed onto your onto your document over here, or you can just drag them like this. So that's completely up to you. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.